Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to show you this coffee table book I got as part of my purchase this month. How cute is it? Alright, so here I am unboxing the first bag. And this is the Chanel Caviar Quilted Wallet on Chain in the color beige. This color is beautiful. Ugh, I'm obsessed. I'm not one to really go after bags in such a light color, but this color is so stunning. And the store told us that they literally only had that one in stock. So Chanel also told me that they had only produced this color for the wallet on chain 3 times in the past 10 years. So just from hearing that, I definitely wanted to get my hands on this beauty. How gorgeous. It's just such a beautiful color and definitely something you can wear with anything. The second item we are here opening is the card holder in the color beige. And I am so excited about this piece because it matches so perfect with the wallet on chain. How gorgeous. So this is also Caviar Quilted. It's beautiful with the gold tone hardware. I am obsessed. So that's all for this video. I hope you really enjoyed it. I look forward to reading your thoughts in the comment section, and I hope to see you on my next one. Bye!